Good morning, students. Welcome in this session. Today I am going to teach you Maths of class 5th. It is 10th chapter decimals. Okay. So now first we discuss about that decimal fractions, and in this we will know that decimals. What is the decimal? So decimal fraction, that they are fraction which have the denominators like 10 or 100 or 1000 or 2000 or 10,000. These fractions are called decimal fractions because when we divide that, only you have to write 1 and put the decimal after 10, then after 1 digit. And here write 2 and 2 0 given, so put the decimal after 2 digits. 1 is given, so another you have to write 0 and now put here. And this one 14 and put the decimal after 1 2 3 0, so 1 2 and 1 0, write yourself, that is. And now 233 and decimal after 4 0 given, 4 digit, 1 2 3 and 4. This is okay. These are called decimal fractions. Now I have written the in the form of decimal. These are called decimals. Okay, and this dot symbol, that is said point. What is it? This is point. So how will you read this one? This is 0.1. This is 0.1 and this one 0.02 and this one 0.014 and this is 0.0233. Okay, you can't read that 0.0233. No, you have to read that 0.0233. Okay, and if suppose that the one example I have there 23.54, so you will read that this is 23.54. Okay, before the decimal you will read as usually what is given 23, and after decimal you have to read 1 by 1, first 5 then 4. If something more 3, then you have to read 5 4 3, 5 4 3. Okay, you have, I think you have got it. Now I solve the exercise. Now I am going to solve exercise 39. First number question: write the following decimal in words. Okay, this number given in figure you have to write in words. So just I had taught you that before the decimal you have to write as usually, that is 16, so write 16, and after decimal you have to write in each number 1 by 1, so that is 16.23. okay, now here 140 .062. Okay, same you will do. Before the decimal you have to write as usually 140, that is 16, so you will write, and after decimal or after point you will write each number one by one. 0, 6, 2. Here 16.23. Okay. Now second number, write the following decimal in figure. This one given, you have to write in figure here. Just opposite. 35.35 and point 656 and 5. This is the answer. Now 200.12 This is the answer. Okay, very simple. Now 3 number. Write the place value of each digit in each of the following decimals. Okay. So you have to write the place value of each digit. This is 7. This is 30. And this is 200. Okay. And now after the decimal, this is 0.6. It means 6 upon 10. This is 4 upon 100. And this is 1 upon 1000. Okay. So you can write the place value of 2 is 200. Place value of 3 is 30. Place value of 7 is 7. Okay. You will start from decimal to the left. First, that is 1's digit, that is 10's digit, this is 100's digit. 1, 7 and 10's 3, so 30, and 100 is 2, that's why 200. And after the decimal or after the point, this is tens, this is hundredth, and this is thousandth. Okay, so tens, this is 6 upon 10. Thousandths, this is 4 upon 100, 100, so 4 upon 100, this is thousandths, so this is 1 upon 1000. Okay, so you can write in word that the place value of 7 is 7, the place value of 3 is 30, the place value of 2 is 200, the place value of 6 is 6 upon 10, the place value of 4 is 4 upon 10, 100, and the place value of 1 is 1 upon 1000. Okay, this type you can solve the rest. Okay, now I solve the next question. Now I have taken 4th number question. Write the following decimal in expanded form. Okay, this is given, you have to write into expanded form. So expanded form, this is 9 and this is 1. It means 19. This is 1 is the, that is 9 is ones, means ones digit, that is 9, and this is 10 is tens. 1 tens, this is 10, and 9 ones, that is 9. And after decimal, you have to take that is 1. So 3 upon 10 you have to write. And now for 5, you have to write 5 and divided by 2 digits, that's why by 100. This is expanded form. Same, you will start from the from decimal. First 7, that is ones, that is 0 tens and 4 hundreds. Okay, 400 plus 7, and after decimal this is 6, 1, and that is 5 upon 2 means 100. Okay, so 7 1 7, 4 tens, 4 hundreds, that is 400, and here 6 1, this is 6 upon 10, and this is 5 100, so it is 5 upon 100. Okay, this is in the form of expanded form. Now just opposite given, expanded form given, you have to write in short form. Expanded form means when the numbers are given in fractions, means 10 or 100 or thousands as a denominators. Before that you have to first write the decimal. This is 7 and this is 2. 20 plus 7, 27 point, and now this is 3 and 6. Okay, now just same given 6000 plus 9, 6009, and after here means 7 upon 10. This is fraction, it are the decimal, and this is 7. Okay, but here divided by 1000, so you have to write the hundredth option, hundredth is option, so we have written 0 and now 6. Okay, 6 is given into thousandth place. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is ones, this is tens, this is thousands. Okay, I hope you got it. Same you will do that. The many examples given on your book. You will solve the rest questions. Okay, now till then have a good day. Bye.